Good morning, redheads. Today is Sunday, May 19th, and I believe today is the day I'm going to put my squat machine together. I'm going to do it. Stay tuned.
Shh, here comes the intro. It's your favorite girl from the Midwest, Chicago Red. Hey, I'm a Pisces and I'm from Chicago. Just deal with it.
No, I'm not a comedian. I'm just a lady with an opinion, but I guess that's funny.
All right, that's enough. Let's go. Okay, check this out. I have been wanting a squat machine for I don't know how long. And I've done some thorough research on many social media platforms and decided to go with this particular squat machine from Amazon. Details will be in the description area. Now, what I didn't expect when I placed this order is that I would be getting an order that someone else had already previously owned, because I always select new on equipment like this because, sometimes the boxes can be sketchy. Well, when I opened the box, you see that plastic bag, that black plastic bag? That came from somebody else. That was not manufactured. That was not a manufacturer wrapping. And it had a note on it that those were the tools. Everything was kind of in disarray. The parts were not labeled in a way where one could understand exactly what the part was, and matching it with the information on the manual was difficult as well. But I persevered. So I'm going through the manual. I'm trying to understand what it is I'm about to do. And I just said, forget it. Let me take an apple break. So I ate my apple. And while I'm eating the apple, I'm looking at the pieces and deciding whether or not I want to keep this or take it back. Now, these are the tools. This is the hardware. That's how it came. It was ripped up. So I didn't know what pieces went where. I just had no idea. When it comes to putting things together, it's usually pretty easy for me. If the instructions are easy to read, the hardware is properly labeled, and everything is packaged properly, then I can figure things out. This one was challenging from the beginning because, as I stated, this was someone else's package prior to me getting it. Someone else had this, and it was rewrapped and sent back out, and I received it. So for that, I will be giving a lower rating with regards to my review. That was bothersome for me. And it made it difficult for me to put things together because the package wasn't put together properly. But anyway, so I'm looking at every piece, trying to figure out what to do next, because even the instructions are not very well written. And maybe they are, but because the hardware piece of it was so scattered, everything was mixed up, I didn't know what to put where. So I'm literally just taking screws and looking at the length of the screws and determining where they go. That it was a lot, but anyway, that's where we are right now. I wanted to also add this little bit of information. I'm actually having some mobility issues with my leg, and I've had this equipment for about 2 weeks, and I just recently got a shot in my hip so that I could move a little bit better. So I started this process at 10:41 a.m. and I didn't stop until 1:31 p.m. I did take a break to eat, but it would have gone a lot better if the instructions were well written and I wasn't in, a little bit of pain or, my little mobility issue. But if I was able to do it with some pain and mobility issues, then you should be able to do this too. Just an FYI. When I tell you it was so difficult trying to piece this together, looking at the instructions, watch how many times I pick up this instruction booklet and study it. I'm literally looking at it, looking at the hardware, looking at what I need to do, and I still couldn't figure it out. But you'll see. It was crazy.
Hi, my name is... What? My name is... Who? My name is...
Chicago Red.